How to fix Windows cannot install required files error in Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7 during install. So if you want to fix this problem, then what you need to do is just go with your command prompt, search with command prompt, go with run as administrator, click on yes, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the command. So enter the command and then hit enter after each command. So the first command is disk part and hit the enter, and you'll get this kind of interface. And now enter list disk and hit the enter again, and you will have all of the disks that you have on your computer. So just go with select space disk space 0 and then hit the enter. Once it's selected, you just need to simply go with clean and again hit the enter. Once you go with that, you just need to simply enter clean space mbr and again hit the enter. Once you've done that, you need to enter exit and then hit the enter. And again, you need to enter exit and again hit the enter, and it will take you to the next kind of interface or a Windows setup. And under setup, you need to go with bottom and choose I don't have a product key. And you need to select the operating system that you want to install and go with next, which will be on the bottom right. And go with I accept the license terms and conditions, and then go with next, and you can install it. So that's how you can fix Windows cannot install required files error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.